Hello everyone, I'm Eric Shao, an expert on the alto saxophone. In this video, I will show you how to properly assemble, hold, play, disassemble, and take care of your alto sax. First, we will be talking about how to assemble and set up your saxophone, so it'll be ready to play in no time. Step 1. Take out the reed from its case, and put the thin part of it into your mouth. Soak it until you're ready to assemble your mouthpiece. Be careful not to put too much pressure on it, or it may crack. Step 2. Put your case on a flat surface, for example, the floor as I did, and make sure it faces the right way. Then open the case. Step 3. Hold the alto saxophone by the bell with your left hand and carefully take it out. Remove the end plug on the neck hole of the saxophone and take the neck out. Place it into the neck hole and twist it until you feel it's in a comfortable position to play with. After putting the neck into the right position, twist the neck screw until fastened tightly. Step 4. Grabbing your mouthpiece, ligature, and reed, place the flat side of your reed onto the mouthpiece. Put the ligature over the reed and tighten the ligature. Make sure that the screws of the ligature face right. Once your mouthpiece is finished, twist it into the neck of your saxophone until it becomes tight. The reed part should face down and the bin part should face up. Like this. Step 5. Wear the neck strap over your neck and attach the hook on the other side onto the hook of your sax. Place your left thumb for the hole in your neck strap and tighten the strap with your right hand until the instrument is close to your lips and you're in a comfortable playing position. Sit somewhere so you can start playing your sax. Next, we will learn about the proper embouchure, posture, and also how to play your saxophone. Step 1. Sit upright on the edge of your chair with the saxophone sitting up in between your legs. Step 2. Place your fingers on the saxophone keys. Left index, middle, and ring fingers on the top 3 keys, and right index, middle, and ring fingers on the bottom 3 keys. Rest your thumbs on the thumb rests on the back of your sax. And rest your pinky fingers on the spatula keys. Step 3. Place your mouth onto the mouthpiece. Roll up your lower lip, loosen your cheeks, and bite onto the mouthpiece with your upper teeth as if you're ready to play. This should be your proper embouchure for the alto sax. Step 4. Without pressing any of the keys, take a deep breath and blow into your mouthpiece to make a sound. Step 5. If no sound comes out, make sure that you're breathing hard enough into the mouthpiece. Your embouchure is set up properly, or your reed isn't dry or broken. Step 6. The first note that we will be playing is a D in the treble clef. Press on all 6 keys with your fingers, and press the octave key beside the thumb rest with your left thumb. Take a deep breath and blow into your mouthpiece to make a sound. Step 7. The second note that we will be playing is a C in the treble clef. Press on only the second key with your left middle finger. Take a deep breath and blow into your mouthpiece to make a sound. Step 8. The last note that we will be playing is a E in the treble clef. Press on the top 5 keys with your fingers and the octave key with your left thumb. Take a deep breath and blow into your mouthpiece to make a sound. Step 9. To play those notes together in a song, take a deep breath, blow into your mouthpiece, and hold your breath when playing the notes together until you arrive at a rest or a breath mark, which is represented by an apostrophe. When switching between notes, quickly move your fingers to the right positions to play those notes. Whenever on a rest or a breath mark, have the proper fingering ready for the next note. For instance, watch and listen carefully while I use the D, C, and E to play Mary Had a Little Lamb. Step 10. Whenever you're not using your saxophone, rest the bell part of your sax onto your right lap and make sure the neck and the mouthpiece face left. Finally, we will discuss how to disassemble and take care of your sax. Step 1. Go back to your case and make sure it's open. Loosen the neck strap. Take the strap off of you. Unhook it from the instrument and place it back into your case. Step 2. Twist the mouthpiece off of the neck. Loosen the ligature and take it off the mouthpiece. Then, take the reed off the mouthpiece and place it in its own case. Put the mouthpiece and the ligature back into the saxophone case. Step 3. Loosen the neck screw and twist the neck off the saxophone body. And then place it back into the case. Step 4. Take out the end plug and put it back into the neck hole of your sax. Place the saxophone carefully and properly back into the case. Step 5. Close the case once you finish disassembling your sax. I hope that this video has given you a great understanding on how to properly assemble, hold, play, disassemble, and take care of your alto saxophone whenever you get one. Thanks for listening.